Myth 1. Only smokers get COPD. Fact. Most cases are linked to smoking, but non-smokers exposed to pollution or occupational dust can also get it. Myth 2. If you quit smoking after COPD, it's too late. Fact. Quitting smoking at any stage slows the progression of the disease. It's never too late. Myth 3. COPD is just asthma. Fact. Asthma is usually reversible with medication. COPD damage is permanent and progressive. Thought treatments help manage it.
Myth 4. All patients with COPD need oxygen support. Fact. Not all patients need oxygen support.
Only patients in severe cases need it due to COPD's unique pathophysiology. Home and amp. Lifestyle tips. Stay active. Light walking or exercises approved by your doctor. Eat nutritious food to keep your body strong. Avoid polluted areas, secondhand smoke, and strong fumes. Practice breathing techniques like pursed lip breathing.